Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader at 7:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, June 17, 2021. This is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. There's a Twitter link on the top, actually underneath the video, I should say, in the description, if you want to find out what the intraday updates are, as well as if you want to click subscribe to my channel and that little bell next to it. At least you won't have to sit there and check all day when these videos come out, because they obviously don't come out at the same time. I'm slightly behind today. Sorry about that. RLC allocation, I'm still in at $5, and I'm going to continue to stay in at $5 because I have all the risk capital I want in there right now, and I will wait. And I will wait because I believe that this company is up to some real good things. And let's just take a look first at the market, and we'll talk about what's going on with RLC. Now, unfortunately, I can't go into too much. I do know that there was a video put out, but let's just walk back for a second and look at the RLC US dollar pair. Right now, what I do know is we're over this red line. We expected that. What we want to do is get over this green line again, because that green line is support, but it really doesn't matter. The main bogey here, as I continue to say, is the yellow line. As long as we're over this yellow line between here and the end of the year, if we draw the yellow line, that puts us over to the 14 range, maybe a little higher. If we get over the green line and all we do is stay over the green line, well, then if we are hitting that line at the end of the year, then we're hitting $9, right? But we're at 362. Anywhere over $9 is a success story, nonetheless. Let's just zoom back into the RLC Bitcoin pair. Now, I'll tell you where I would potentially be a buyer. I think if we break out of here and then break above 10,465, if we get over 10,500 again, and we can get over for more than a day, I think that's an area of real entry right there. I would say it's hard to tell. We're getting closer to this point down here, and we're only a few days away from that, 5 or 6 days. Anything can happen between here and there. It could make the move over this line of resistance, and we have to get over this line of resistance. It's been forming for over a month now. So I'd like to see us cleanly break through here. And by cleanly break through, I mean break through for more than a day. So anyway, let's go over to Bitcoin. Not a lot of cool news on this one. Just an ETF that is struggling to make its way to the market. Regulators are now questioning the public on what their views are with a Bitcoin ETF, and I guess they're just trying to buy themselves some time. But I eventually think that ETFs will wind up flourishing in the crypto space. So not worried. A little setback for Bitcoin. Look, we're 38,000. Nothing fancy, nothing worrisome here. And by the way, we are still over that green line I continue to talk about. So we're in good shape there. Now, on this iExec official thread here from Twitter, it looks like there was a video, and I had talked about it yesterday. I'm going to hit this company up and ask them for an English version of it for those who speak English, or, you might be able to do it in different languages. But what I do know is right now that there is on this particular site, which is Journal du Coin, which is on Twitch TV, it doesn't appear that they have a setting for closed captions. So I'll be definitely checking in with them to see if we can get one of those, and I will tweet it out as soon as I know it, for those who are English speaking. But it looked like, I was trying to translate some of the French there, but it sounded like a lot of very exciting moments in terms of, what they're looking to push in terms of a decentralized cloud offering. But again, we just simply need an English version for those who only know English, like myself. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I will keep everyone in touch overnight with Twitter, and definitely subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch up. It's RLC US dollars at 363, 364 at 7:55 p.m. I'm out. Take care.